Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I am going to show you all my cute bag collection from Amazon, and all of them are very affordable and very cute. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. This is the first bag that I've got. It is this very beautiful baby pink bag, and this is the bag that I can wear on daily basis, and it actually goes really well with like my cute outfits and with this outfit as well. And it has got this really nice gathered kind of strap, this kind of design in here. It's actually like mini clutch, and it is quite spacious as well. I love this heart like design that is made in the like chain. It is quite spacious as well to carry all your phones and your lipsticks and everything. And I got it just for rupees 284, guys. Given the quality, the look, it is a total steal. I love it so much. Next bag we have got is this bag, and I found it so Pinteresty. It is like this knitted crochet kind of bag which has this really nice green Pinteresty color to it, and it has got this little flowers made on it which is so cute. And it is kind of like a tote bag, and it is very spacious. You can keep like a lot of things in here, and again, this looks super cute with any outfit that you wear. This can be a really cute bag that you can carry in your college as well. इसमें notebook वगैरह सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से आ जाएगा. Something that I love to carry in like some cute vacation or some cute picnic kind of situation. Next, we have got this very beautiful brown bag. It has got this very rich kind of mocha brown color, and it has this kind of strap. This is a perfect autumn bag, and you're going to see me wearing this a lot. It will go really well again with a lot of outfit, and it has got this kind of design made on it. Like it has got this little Y2K touch as well, and इस टाइप का है कुछ. And इस पे आपको एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्राइप भी मिल जाएगा, which is this. मुझे I like it like this, okay, but then you get this extra strap as well which is adjustable. So इसका price पड़ा था 499 rupees. So again, this is a very beautiful bag for 499. Next bag that I've got is this one, and I have been wanting this kind of bag since so long, which is like very spacious, but it is so cute. This is a perfect work or college bag that you can go for. It has got this really nice pink fabric to it. Laptop, water bottle, lunch, सब कुछ इसमें डाल सकते हो. I think this is a perfect bag for like your airport also. And zipper वगैरह भी बनाया हुआ है इस पे. So most of the bags don't have zipper. This one has, and it feels super soft. Honestly ना वीडियो में इसका justification अच्छे से नहीं आ रहा है, but this is such a beautiful cute bag. And if you are a college going girl, this is the perfect bag that you can go for. It is very subtle, cute, इतना ज़्यादा design नहीं है. I absolutely love it, and इसका price पड़ा था 799. Given the quality, it is so good. Next bag that I've got is this one, and oh my god, ये मतलब इतना useful तो नहीं है, ज़्यादा सामान carry नहीं करेगा, but it is so cute that I could not resist myself from buying it. Just look at it, guys. It is so cute. इसमें आपका like गर्ली एसेंशियल्स तो आ ही जाएगा, फोन आ जाएगा, चार्जर आ जाएगा. Yeah, it is quite spacious for like whatever we need to carry. Okay, lipstick वगैरह, cash, card, सब कुछ आ जाएगा. And it is so cute. It's actually like a sling bag that you can carry like this. Oh my god, it is so cute. It has got this really nice Pinteresty hearts made on it. I mean, these are the kind of stuff that I am really excited to buy with my adult money, and I am loving it. बहुत ज़्यादा cute है. I am obsessed with this bag. I love it so much. Next bag again is a very cute bag that I bought from my adult money. This one again is a crochet bag, and अभी तो आ रहा है winter autumn का season आ रहा है, so crochet is all I'm going to wear. Look at all these flowers that is made on it, which is so cute and beautiful. मैंने सिर्फ ये flowers देख के इसको खरीदा है. I love it so much. And this one again is a very spacious bag, so perfect for like your daily wear, college wear के लिए भी perfect है. But this is so cute that I will not wear it daily, like special days पे ही पहनूंगी ये मैं. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now, you guys must be wondering that Bratata is not bringing anything bow related in this video, but you guys are wrong because we have got yet another bow product, and this bag is so cute. It has got this bow to hai hi hai coquette aesthetic, but it has got this Indian boho kind of design to it, which I love. Again, this is a perfect like work or college bag. That work to nahi bolungi, but perfect college bag that you can wear, and also a perfect like daily wear bag when you're going out, when you need to carry your like umbrella and stuff. So you can carry this bag, which is so cute. Again, ये outfit के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा cute लग रहा है ये, and I think this will look good with any other outfit. So cute. Love the quality. Quality is so good. Love the bows that is made on it. It is again crochet. The material is so good. Looks so cute. So yeah, I have to bring one bow product at least now, guys. So yeah. Next, I've got this very cutesy strawberry bag, and मैं तो literally shock में हूँ कि Amazon में इतना ज़्यादा Pinteresty like bags मिलते हैं. आप लोगों को पता था? Well, अब पता चल गया है ना with this haul. So देखो guys, मैंने क्या like क्या मिला मुझे, इतना Pinteresty bag है ये. Again, it is very spacious. So if you are looking for like a unique, cute college wear bag, this is the one that you can go for. It is very spacious, very lightweighted, looks so Pinteresty. I love it. The strawberries that are made on it, so good. It's my favorite fruit, so I love anything that has like strawberries in it. It doesn't have a zipper, okay, but it has got this like buttons, like 3 button बनाया हुआ है यहाँ पे. So anyway, now to winter आ रहा है, बारिश का सीजन खत्म ही हो गया, so you can definitely go with this one. And इसका price मैंने पे किया था just 599. Just so cute, guys. I am obsessed with this bag, and again you're going to see me. मैं तो अब college नहीं जाती, but only if I was going to college I would be like wearing such cute bags. So yeah, don't miss out on like looking good, you know, when you're going to college, because once you are out of college, इतना ज़्यादा मतलब I don't know, responsibilities आ जाता है, क्या क्या आ जाता है. So enjoy your life, look good, fashionable. You don't want to regret it, okay? Next, I've got this very cute 2 bags, and this is the kind of bag which I love to carry my tiffins. और सब मुझे देखिए कि इतना ज़्यादा cute है उसका इसका tiffin bag. So yeah, this one is so cute. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा blue kind of flowers बनाया हुआ है, and it has got this ट्यूलिप. आई विश इसमें पिंक ट्यूलिप बनाया होता, इट वुड लुक सो नाइस, बट ऐसे भी इतना ज्यादा अच्छा है. एंड इसका प्राइस जस्ट 299 पड़ा था, guys. 2 bags are like literally the cutest bags of this haul. Now the last bag that I want to show you all is this bag. You guys probably have seen this bag a lot, like in my videos, in my photos. So this is the bag that I carry like with every other outfit, and usually आपको पता ही है मैं ज्यादातर white, pink ऐसे subtle colors ही पहनती हूँ, and this bag goes well with everything. It is this Y2K kind of bag, and look at all this designs that is made on it. It has got this really cute heart, this stars, and this straps, this thing, like you know, the small details that it has. It is so good, and क्वालिटी इसका बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है, बट गिवन द क्वालिटी इसका प्राइस भी थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है. इट इज लाइक फॉर लाइक 1100-1200 समथिंग. टोटली वर्थ इट. मैं तो बोलती हूँ बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा क्वालिटी है. आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग दिस सिंस more than a year, and it is still fine. So those were all my cutesy bag collection from Amazon. All the links will be given down in the description, and let me know in the comment section which bag was your favorite, and let me know what more hauls you want to see in my channel. I see you all soon in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye.